Okay, so hey guys, welcome. Someone who wants to buy, and this is a customer session. Someone who wants to buy something from the website. Now, this site does not only need you. One doesn't need you to register, but if you register, it's going to be a plus for you. And two, you can also register again to go through the same process. Okay, so maybe if you want something, maybe I want this. This actually not for 5 CDs. Uh, okay, the phone stand is not actually 5 CDs. For tutorial sections will be out for tomorrow. That will be the launching day, which is the 14th of, okay, 14th March. So if I want to buy that, I click on it, or I should have added to cart from the beginning. Okay, but still there's nothing wrong. Still loading the site. I think so. Okay, so you can also leave a review here. I think rating is also there. Yeah, yeah. You can leave a review. You can rate. What else? So this is where the store is located. All right. So the vendor is detectives. What else? Where are you? Wow. What else? Where are you? Wow. Okay. Still loading. All right. Okay. So this is the site. So you can leave a review. Um, you can the vendor info. Yeah. So that's what I was saying. You can give a rating. If you want some more product from the same company. Oh, these are very big. Okay, so basically that is it. That's not what we are here to do. So yeah, I can add this, okay, to my wish list, or I can just go straight to cart. So let's say I want to buy it. So I'm adding it to cart and going straight to do a buy with it. Okay. Oh, okay, so customer match in Ghana, so for sure, and the phone stand has been added to your cart. All right, so if already added to cart, we don't have to add to cart again. Just have to go straight to view cart, which is on our right side. Just unfortunate the site, sorry, I keep on saying the site, the network is low or down, you know, for a couple of days. Our telecos are not helping with. Okay, so I can choose to update the cart, but I don't want two. It's telling me I want two quantities. No, so I decrease it by one. Good. And then um, I can choose to be shipped to my house. So that aspect will be in very soon. Or um, local pickup. So my store is located in Trafalgar, Ho, Volta region. So I'm picking a local pickup so that I won't pay 18 cities. I just want to pay uh, oh, 10 CDs for this product. No, no, no. Okay, all right. Uh, okay. Thinking there's a miscalculation here. So refreshing the site. Okay, so the product is still saying two. So maybe if you want to buy two, so you should be more careful when you are buying something. You should be able to select one, and then you click on update. Yes, that's something I didn't do. Yeah, so you need to click on the update section. Yes, so click on add update here to make sure that your money is synced, or else you are going to buy double or something. Yeah, all right, good. So the price has changed to 5 cities, and I want a pickup, so I'll be going, so I can change the address here to, let's say, that's Volta. Let's say other still I'm in the country, so I have four, but still I'm in Trafalgar currently. So just choose Volta and move with Volta. Okay, all right. So which part of Volta you can just put your uh, something there. I mean city. So you update your zip code, then remove. All right. So let's proceed to check out our product. Let's proceed. I'll say network please, help us out. Okay, so In our checkout zone, still loading though. I think we have. All right, so because I've already signed in into this account, um just coming to put in last name and blah blah blah. All these things have already been saved because I've created an account with it. Okay, so if to ship to, let's say, a friend, I'll be using this friend's details. So it's going to be to, let's say, um Justice Amigashi or something, and then I can leave a note. Okay, just fill in the details here, type, and then leave a note. If it's his birthday, I just go there and type happy birthday Justice. Yeah, then the vendor will surely deliver. But in case it's for me alone, I'll have to check this, ship to a different. No, you're not shipping, so I'm using the same thing, and I can still use this other note here. So if you want to surprise someone, just leave a note on the delivery. Okay, special notes, and that should be done by the vendor. All right, so over here, this is my order. I have it's not shipping, it's local pickup. And then I can use so the system using Paystack currently, so you can use Visa, you can use Momo, you can use MasterCard, Ethel. So you just pick which one you want to use. You can save the account details, then go to I've read and agree to the terms and conditions. um, then I place my order. Yeah, that's the most important thing of all. And place your order. What happened next? Network. Okay, it's loading. Okay, so over here we can cancel and go back, or pay now. So thank you for your. Oh, still loading. Okay, so finally we are back. Currently this is a card part. So those who are using credit cards, you can use this part, or mobile money, which I know most of us will use. So over here you enter if this is the mobile money you want to use. If not, you clean, say I want to use other number, zero something something something, or I come here. When I'm done, I choose the operator. So it can be MTN, Vodafone, or something. So you choose that, then you confirm. So currently we are using Paystack. When you confirm, there will be a code sent to your SIM card, either through WhatsApp or SMS. Then you enter that code and then proceed with payment. Currently we are using Paystack. Maybe in the future this may change to any other one, possibly. So if anything, you guys will be updated. So from here, I know you guys can do that. Just proceed and then check out, pay, and get your order. So in the first place, your order will be pending, and then when your vendor gets in touch with you, it will be approved and then delivered, if it's going to be delivery, or it's going to be um, how do you call it? Yeah, what I mean is pick up. You come and pick up. If anything, you and a vendor will communicate with that. Okay, so basically that is it, and I'll catch you in the next one. No, and thank you very much for watching, and hope seeing you around once again. Bye.